chocolate covered peanut butter. Peanut butter covered in chocolate. Start with some creamy peanut butter. Add some powdered sugar to sweeten. When the peanut butter gets a little stiff from the powdered sugar, roll into individual balls and put into the freezer or fridge to set. Made a second batch. Added strawberry syrup to the peanut butter, then powdered sugar. Roll them up into little peanut butter strawberry flavored balls and then put them in the fridge or freezer to set. Peanut butter balls have set. I added some hazelnut spread to the center of some of them, and then I added some strawberry syrup to the others. Then put them back into the refrigerator to set. Now to cover the sweet peanut butter balls with some melted chocolate. Since some of the peanut butter balls are strawberry, I added some strawberry syrup to the melted chocolate. Dip peanut butter strawberry balls into melted chocolate and let set. Making candy with peanut butter and chocolate and whatever else you have in your kitchen pantry.